Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare as a biology teacher of class 9th. So dear student, today start chapter 15, improvement in food resources. Improvement in food resources. So dear student, let me start for the facts that matter. Facts that matter: food supplies the proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals, all of which we require for body development, growth, and health. Different crops require different climate condition, temperature, and photo periods for their growth and the completion of their life cycle. Photo periods are related to the duration of sunlight, growth of plants, and flower are depend on sunlight. Successful crop production depend upon many factors such as understanding how crop grow and develop. Second one is effect of various nutrients, climate, water on the growth of the plant. Modification and the management of each factors for increasing the yield of the crop. The crop while are grown in rainy season, the Kharif season from June to October are called as the Kharif crop. Example for paddy, soybean, pigeon, pea, maize, cotton, green, green gram and black gram are Kharif crop. Crop varieties of improvement. It can be done either by the hybridizations of Y or Y, introducing a gene. Crop varieties improvement. It can be done either by the hybridization or by the introducing a gene. Crop improvement by hybridization. Hybridization refers to crossing between genetically dissimilar plants. This crossing may be inter intervariable between different varieties, interspecies between two different species of the same genus, of the intergenetic between different genera. Crop improvement by introducing a gene. This provides the desired characteristic and the result in genetically modified crop. Cultivation, the particles and the crop yield are related to the weather, soil qualities and the ability of water. Since weather the conditions such as drought and food situations are unpredictable, varieties that can be grown in the diverse climatic conditions are useful. The factors for which varieties of improvement is done are higher yield to increase the productivity of the crop per per area. Improvement qualities, the quantities of crop product vary from the crop to the crop. Example, the protection qualities is the important is the pulses oil qualities in oil seeds, producing the qualities in the fruits and the vegetables. Biotic and abiotic resistance. Biotic factors are the disease, insect and nematodes, while the abiotic factors are the drought, salinity, the water logging, heat, cold, and forest, which the affect the crop productivity. So varieties, the resistance, these the factors. Stress can be the improved to increase crop production. Change in maturity duration. Short maturity period of crop reduces the cost of the crop production and the make the variety incoming in economical. Uniform maturation makes the harvesting process easy and the reduce loss during the harvesting. Losses during the harvesting. Wider the adaptively, it allows the crop to grow under the different climatic condition in different areas. Describe the organic characteristic it the increase productivity. For the example, tallness and the profuse the breathing are the describable the characteristic for the fodder crop, while the difference in described it is the cerelac, so that the less nutrients are consumed by these crop. Plant nutrients. Nutrients are supplied to the plant by air, water, and soil. There are 16 nutrients, which are the essentials for the plants. Are the supplies the carbon and the oxygen. Hydrogen comes from the water and soil supply. For the other 13 nutrients to plant, most these the 13 nutrients, 6 are required in large quantities and are therefore called macronutrients. The other 7 nutrients are used by plants in small quantities and are therefore is called the micronutrients. Macro and micronutrients. Nutrients supplied by air, water, and soil. Manure. Manure the contain large quantities of the organic matter and also supply the small quantities of nutrient to the soil. Manure is the prepared by the decompositions of the animals extra and the plants wastage. Manure help in the inorganic the soil with the nutrients and the organic matter and the increasing the soil fertility. On the basic of the kinds of the biological wastage used to make manure, it can be classified into three types: compost, vermicompost, and green manure. Compost is can be from the waste material such as the livestock extra, cow dung, etc. Vegetable based animals, therefore the domestic based is the sewage wastage, straw, the till the beads, etc. This materials is the development decomposed in pits, and these the process of the decomposition is also called as the composting. This composting is rich in the organic matter and the nutrients. Second one, vermicompost. Vermicompost, the compost which is the made by the decomposition of the plants and animals. Refuse with the help of red worm is the called the vermicompost. Vermicompost, the compost which is the made by the decompositions of plants and animals. Refuse the with the help of red worm is the called the vermicompost. So dear student, today this topic is complete. So I send you the some homework. So complete your work and send me. Thank you.